is Jane, and I am leading a science experiment.
Don't tell Teacher Diane that I'm taking over, and I'm so excited to do some fun sciencey things with you. Let's get started.
We are gonna mix baking soda with vinegar, and it'll cause a chemical reaction. What do you think will happen? Make a prediction. Are you ready? Let's see what happens. Take a bowl and your baking soda. Put the baking soda in. Then take your vinegar and pour that in. Look what happens. Let's do it again. Overflow. Now that's cool. Okay, we got a surface to put underneath the bowl in case it overflows. I wonder what will happen if we mix it together. Okay, let's try it. So there's a bunch of baking soda at the bottom, and vinegar is the liquidy stuff at the top. Let's mix it together. It's bubbling, fizzing, fizzing. Do you think we should add a bit more vinegar? Maybe. Whoa. Overflow! Cool. I wonder what would happen if we added a little soap to this chemical reaction. What do you think would happen? Let's find out. Okay, so we got the soap, and now we are ready to mix it up. Ooh, it got even more bubbly and foamy. Look at that, a bubble. Look at that, it stopped. Let's see what happens when we add more. Ooh! Wow. Now that is something you don't see every day. Really cool to see vinegar and baking soda in a bowl. But what about if it's in a different type of container, like a bottle? Let's try it. You want to put a funnel at the top, maybe. Put the funnel at the top. Take your baking soda. Scoop it in. Pour it. Oh, it got stuck. You need a knife for that part. Dab it in. This might take a while. Okay, so we got the baking soda all at the bottom of our bottle, as you can see. Next, we are gonna add our vinegar. Okay, you might want a parent for this part. Carefully pour it in. Let's add some more. It's a volcano. So it was really fun just adding soap, but let's even make it even more interesting by adding some green food coloring and soap. Does that sound like fun? Alright. Alrighty, I think that's enough. For this next part, the magic will happen. We are adding vinegar. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now that's fun to watch. Wasn't it cool to watch the bottle with the baking soda and vinegar? And soap, too, that was cool. Now we're gonna do the last version. Me and my brother Leo, say hi.
Hi.
Are gonna do the last version of this experiment. You'll need a cupcake tin, baking soda and vinegar, and some food coloring. Let the making begin! Alrighty, first you want to take your food coloring and put 2 drops of food coloring in each cupcake tin. So now that we have all of our food coloring in place, I'm gonna put some baking soda on top of each drop. Don't worry if it covers it up. So now that we have baking powder and food coloring in each one, it's time to add some vinegar and water.
Wow!
Let's try this on this one.
Wow! Wow!
Okay, I wonder what happens if we stir it with our finger. How about we find out? Look at that, it turns even darker orange. It turns like a dark orange. Ooh, that one's fizzing.
Wasn't this fun?
Remember, don't tell Teacher Diane that I was here. Thanks again for coming to Side by Side Preschool. Kids take over! See you again. Leo, say bye.
Bye.
Hello? Is this thing on? Hello?